Welcome back. Now we're going to check in with the experts at Kitchen Land, and they have some great ideas for us.
Hi, Marc and Mandy. Today I'm at a spectacular remodel of an open concept home that I want to share with you. I'm really excited about this one. Today we're going to talk actually about the countertop and the backsplash and why it's important to really give it a lot of thought when you're picking these things.
So this customer wanted to make sure that they would have an entire open concept flow through the front of the house to the back of the house. And it was very important that it had to be a marble. But since we all know marble is not the most practical thing for the countertop, especially for the kitchen, we chose to go with a quartz marble print and quartz backsplash to make sure that we elongate all the lines and make sure that the backsplash is easy to wipe in order for cooking. Once you're cooking and splashing things, it's easy to just clean after yourself, as well as it's very, very artistic looking. As you can tell, it finishes the cabinets very nice.
I also like how they tied it into the entry flooring as well. Flows really nicely, so great job. Thank you for those tips. Happy decorating.
Thanks for watching the Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.